Hello everyone, today I would like to demonstrate the game project, spring term project, which is called Running Rapids. Kübra, Akça and I, Zeynep, Öykü, Erdem, we were implemented this game. So basically it's a game that creates an amusement game environment where the two players collecting coins. There are lots of power-ups, and while avoiding spies, they are reaching the door to advance to the next level. The game includes two-player functionality, moving spikes, and power-up proofs, health bar, score bar, treasure, coins, and we have also screenshots from the level 2. So here is, as you can see, our player is try to avoid the enemies, but if the player cannot avoid the enemies, the health bar decreases. And also you can see the total number of coin increase while the player collect the coins and also the treasures. As you can see in here, these are treasures that increase the total point by 50. And also, as you can see in here, the power-ups also change. The power-ups increase the health of the player, but also change the appearance of the player to create an amusement for the game dynamic. So the project goals is basically to create a two-player functionality, and also creating basic character movement and controls, the cinematic camera movement that follows the two players, the enemy behavior, moving enemies to create a complex to increase the complexity of the game, because when the enemy starts to moving towards the horizontal axis, the player is also try to avoid the enemies to prevent the reducing of the health. And also we have the designing levels with the platforms, obstacles, collectibles like coins and treasures, and the user interface that shows the lives of the player and also the scores, and also the background elements, the visual effects, the tile map, and also the changing appearance because of the power-ups. And we have also lots of external help especially from Asset Store. The background images like a planet, the space image, the moon, they all imported from the free parallax. The sound effect when the player hit the treasure, the sound effect appears. It is also imported from the casual effects shot. And we have also received external help from the YouTube and also Udemy, and there's also a specific YouTube tutorial which is called Unity 2D game, two-player game. And we have also used health bar mechanism and also camera movements for the two-player. We get the help from the YouTube tutorial. And we also plan for the final version, like implementing two-player functionality and also animation for the spikes. Not exactly animation, but it is, we created the mechanism that the spikes are moving towards horizontal, like moving forward and backward, synchronously. And we have implemented all. And now, before moving to do code, now we are waiting for the unit to open the project. Now let's run in the game from the level 1. So here is our 2 players. So I use left and right and up arrow for the brown one, and for the pink one I use A, V, D, the key element. So the power-up changed the appearance of the object. As you can see, now we're collecting the treasure. Now we are going to the next level, the level 2. We are trying to avoid from the obstacles in here. So the power-ups here. The camera movement is helped to zoom in and zoom out for the 2 players. So now let's collect the coin here. Now we have to start all over again because the health of the players is reached to 0. So we are restarting the level 2. After reaching the door in the level 2, we start all over again from the level 1. For the appearance change, we use the twin do color methods. So it's getting harder and harder to avoid the obstacles because it is moving obstacles. I want to also collect the coins. So we all start all over again from the level 1. In here, the background image is the clouds, as I said before, it is imported from the asset store. The spikes also imported from the asset store. But the mechanism of the spikes we have developed and implemented. That's all, I guess. Let me show you the level 2 also. Here, as you can see, the images of the space, the health bar, the spikes, and also they are imported from the asset store, as I said before in the presentation. And we have also played the game. You have seen the cameras follows the players, so they are moving independently. I cannot play very well because I cannot control the movement of the 2 player. I need one person to use. It's a 2-player game, so thank you for listening our presentation. And if you have any comments to add, please write it down below in the comments. Thank you for listening.